This is Manthoka waterfall. I think it's 180 meters maybe, or got a bridge there. It's a nice tourist place. A bit of a trek, took us very long to get here, 3.5 hours. So if you're like me and you've traveled a lot, and we went to Thailand and we've seen a lot of really awesome waterfalls in Thailand. If you've already seen that, you're probably not going to be particularly impressed. So yeah, I think I wouldn't come here if you've already been and seen big waterfalls around the world. Not worth the 3.5 hours to get here and 2.5 hours to get back. We're kind of like en route basically. But then again, Pakistan is beautiful. It's got everything. Visit Pakistan. Just crossing the bridge here. A wobbly bridge. God.